So friends, in this video of the Facebook course, today we will learn how we can create the custom audience on the basis of website visitors, right? So friends, before this we have taught you how you can install the Facebook ads pixel on your website or how you can set up the events. Now we will teach you how to create the custom audience in several ways. Look, the custom audience is a very important part because the audience that comes to our website and take particular action, or they come to our different touch points like maybe on Instagram or Facebook and they take some action there, right? Or watch something or click on something. Now once that audience has interacted with us, then how we can just let go that audience? So we will create a customer list of that audience. Like who is coming to my website, who is coming to my social media, who is doing the activities, who went to add to cart. In these different ways we can create custom audiences. So in this particular video we are going to teach you how to create a custom audience on the website. So basically in this video we will see that how we can capture our website audience, right? So friends, now I will teach you step by step. You have to learn it well so that you don't face any problems and you have to apply this. So here you can see I have the Facebook account open right in front of you, and over here I have opened the Meta Business Suite account. Now from here I will go into all tools and then into audience. Okay, I'll go to audiences option, click here. So friends, basically whatever ad account you have and the business manager that you have, what you have to do, you just open it, then from there go into all tools and go into audience option. Now this is my Meta Business Suite account. From here friends, from the all tools you see, first I will go to the adverts manager. I will choose my business manager account, inside which, and here first I will choose my business manager because I have multiple business manager accounts. So it is opening. Yes, so I have chosen Marketing Fundas business account and chosen ad account. So friends, now after choosing this, when I have landed to the dashboard, right, where we generally create campaigns, right, here in these three lines the all tools option is appearing. Now I will click here. I can also go from here. Look, the audiences option is showing up, and above all tools there is option of audiences. So I will go and I will click on audiences. Now as I clicked on audience, so look here. Here whatever audiences we will keep creating, so that will be shown to us. So now to create a custom audience, we will click on create audience. Over here, custom audience, lookalike audience or saved audience. Now if you see here, this is my saved audience. Okay. Now I have already taught you in this course, and now I will teach you custom audience and lookalike. So we'll click on custom audience. Now see how many options have appeared. Your sources and meta sources. Understand its meaning. Your sources and your website or your app, or let's suppose if you have, means if you have any offline data. Okay, so in this way, if you have a catalog, means its entire products catalog, right? So that's your sources. Meta sources, it means that on Meta's platforms like Facebook and Instagram, if someone has watched your videos, right, on your account or on your page, if someone filled a form or someone did shopping or interacted or came to the page, okay, or let's suppose if it is Meta or if it's the marketplace listing, right, and someone came to events or Instagram account and watched something. These are all meta sources. We are currently learning about website. If anyone comes to your website, then how the list will be created. So for once we have to learn how to create custom audience list. Now we'll come on website. Click next. Now friends, look, the data source is MF Web Pixel 1. We had taught you how to create the pixel. So if you haven't done that, please watch that video, because creating a pixel and installing it on your website is necessary. If you don't install the pixel on your website, tracking won't happen. The audience will not be collected. Now the event option comes up, all website visitors. People who visited specific web pages. Next option is visitors by time spent. Page view, lead. So for now we'll take all website visitors, but it's your choice. If you go on specific page, you have to enter the specific page. Okay. Here it's all website visitors, means it can come on any page, so they should be tracked. I'll select all for now. It's good to keep the audience retention at 30 days. You can increase or decrease it. And now here you have to give the name of the audience, alright? So we'll write MF, it means Marketing Fundas website. Custom audience. Okay. Now I've given name to my audience, so I can remember that I created custom audience for Marketing Fundas website. The description is optional. If you want, you can add it or leave it, and you can write specific note. I've clicked on create audience. And now here it says your custom audience was created. Now create a lookalike audience, create a campaign, create another custom audience. So basically, so can create it as many times as you want. But I won't teach how to create a lookalike or campaign. What was our main objective? To create an audience, to create a custom audience based on the website. Now click on done. Now that we've clicked done, look here this one here also has an estimated audience size of below 1000. Look, this also happens in Google. And when we create our customer lists, right? Or when we create a remarketing list. So here also, when we are creating an audience list, if the data is above 1000, then this system of theirs is able to work well because it needs data, and the more data that is collected, the better it is. So that audience means we'll have the audience and we can create similar lookalike audiences. We'll close this as well. It's written populating. What does populating mean? Now on my website, jo koi bhi will come. Okay, they will be tracked. Okay, that audience list has been created. So in this way, you too can create an audience list of your website visitors. I hope you have understood this. It's practical. You should practice it so that you too can become a Facebook ad expert. Thank you.